The secret to wealth hidden in the Bible. Have you ever wondered if there's a way to achieve financial freedom without being bound to a conventional job? What if I told you that an ancient secret, one that predates Wall Street, economic theories, and financial gurus, has been hidden in plain sight for centuries? A secret that can unlock true prosperity and wealth beyond temporary riches. This wisdom was known to one of the wealthiest and wisest men in history, King Solomon. His teachings, recorded in the Bible, reveal a financial strategy that challenges everything you think you know about money. Today, we will uncover profound principles Solomon followed, principles that can transform the way you approach wealth building forever. Breaking the myth. Wealth is not about a job. Most people today believe that the only path to financial success is through securing a steady job, earning a paycheck, and saving diligently for decades. But King Solomon teaches us something vastly different. Unlike the modern mindset that equates financial security with stable employment, Solomon's wisdom points to a different path, one rooted in intelligence, discipline, and strategic resource management. Proverbs 8 verse 18 states, "With me are riches and honor, enduring wealth and righteousness." This verse holds a powerful message. True prosperity, the kind that endures, stems from wisdom, not from merely working harder. Solomon understood that accumulating wealth is not just about making money. It's about knowing how to manage it wisely. If financial success depended solely on having a job, then why do so many people with high salaries still struggle financially? The answer lies in the difference between temporary wealth and lasting wealth. Temporary wealth versus lasting wealth. Temporary wealth is fleeting. It can come through inheritance, a sudden windfall, or even sheer luck. However, without wisdom, this kind of wealth disappears just as quickly as it arrives. We've all heard stories of lottery winners who lost everything within a few years. They had money, but they lacked wisdom. Solomon warns us that wealth gained without understanding is wealth that will not last. In contrast, lasting wealth is built over time through strategic decision-making. It's not about how much money you make, but how you make decisions about your resources. This type of wealth is resilient. It withstands economic downturns, market fluctuations, and even career changes. Solomon teaches that those who pursue wisdom not only accumulate wealth, but also maintain and grow it sustainably. The power of financial wisdom. One of the biggest misconceptions about wealth is that it's solely about money. But Solomon shows us that true wealth is multidimensional. It includes financial stability, but also encompasses honor, respect, and righteousness. Proverbs 22 verse 1 states, "A good name is more desirable than great riches. To be esteemed is better than silver or gold." Why does this matter? Because wealth built on wisdom and integrity is far more valuable than money alone. If your financial success is achieved unethically or without a strong foundation, it will not endure. True prosperity comes when your wealth aligns with justice and sound principles. Solomon emphasizes that financial wisdom is not just about making money. It's about making money in a way that brings lasting value to you and those around you. The foundation of justice and ethical wealth. One of Solomon's most profound teachings is that wealth gained through wisdom is tied to justice. He warns against unethical financial practices and emphasizes that true prosperity cannot be built on deception or exploitation. Proverbs 16 verse 8 says, "Better a little with righteousness than much gain with injustice." This is a lesson often overlooked in today's fast-paced financial world, where people chase quick profits without considering the ethical consequences. Justice creates a solid foundation for financial success because it builds trust, credibility, and long-term stability. A business built on deceit may flourish for a while, but it will ultimately crumble. On the other hand, financial success rooted in wisdom and integrity stands the test of time. Solomon understood that wealth is not just about accumulating assets, but about managing them in a way that benefits both the individual and society. Beyond the paycheck, creating multiple streams of income, a steady job provides security, but Solomon challenges us to think beyond the traditional paycheck. Proverbs 13 verse 11 states, "Dishonest money dwindles away, but whoever gathers money little by little makes it grow." This wisdom suggests that true financial security comes from strategic investment and multiple income streams, rather than relying solely on a salary. Think about it. If your entire livelihood depends on one job, you are at the mercy of external circumstances, layoffs, economic downturns, or even company policies that you cannot control. Solomon teaches that true wealth comes from diversification. By investing wisely, creating multiple sources of income, and making intelligent financial choices, you can achieve financial independence. Investing in yourself. The key to financial growth. Solomon's wisdom goes beyond external wealth. It also includes personal growth and development. Proverbs 4 verse 7 states, "The beginning of wisdom is this: get wisdom. Though it costs all you have, get understanding." This means that the best investment you can ever make is in yourself. Many people focus solely on financial assets, but neglect the most important asset of all, their own knowledge and skills. Solomon encourages us to seek wisdom relentlessly, because financial success follows those who understand how to manage opportunities. If you want to be truly wealthy, you must continuously educate yourself about financial principles, investments, and business strategies. King Solomon's financial wisdom is timeless. Unlike modern financial advice that often focuses on short-term gains, Solomon's teachings provide a blueprint for building wealth that lasts. He reminds us that money alone does not bring stability. Wisdom does. The power of diligence. Wealth comes to those who work wisely. One of King Solomon's most valuable teachings is the principle of diligence. Many people believe that financial success comes solely from intelligence or luck, but Solomon reminds us that hard work plays a crucial role. However, this is not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Proverbs 10 verse 4 states, "Lazy hands make for poverty, but diligent hands bring wealth." This verse highlights that prosperity does not come to those who are idle. Yet, Solomon also warns against working aimlessly. Instead, he teaches that true diligence involves strategic effort, choosing the right opportunities, being consistent, and committing to long-term goals. Diligence is not about exhausting oneself in endless labor. Rather, it is about maintaining focus and discipline. Those who apply themselves consistently and seek wisdom in their work will see their efforts multiply. Wealth is not built overnight, but with persistence and careful planning, financial independence is achievable. Strategic investments. Planting seeds for the future. Solomon frequently uses the metaphor of sowing and reaping when speaking about wealth. He teaches that financial success is much like agriculture. You must plant seeds today to reap a harvest tomorrow. Ecclesiastes 11 verse 2 advises, "Invest in 7 ventures, yes, in 8. You do not know what disaster may come upon the land." This verse emphasizes the importance of diversification. Solomon warns against putting all your financial resources into one venture, as the future is uncertain. By spreading investments across multiple opportunities, you create a safety net that ensures financial stability even during economic downturns. Applying this wisdom today means looking beyond a single source of income, whether through stocks, real estate, entrepreneurship, or other investment vehicles. Those who follow Solomon's strategy of diversification build resilience against financial hardship. The role of long-term vision in financial success. A significant aspect of Solomon's financial wisdom is his emphasis on long-term vision. Many people today seek instant gratification, quick returns, overnight success, or get-rich-quick schemes. However, Solomon warns against such short-sighted thinking. Proverbs 21 verse 5 states, "The plans of the diligent lead to profit, as surely as haste leads to poverty." This teaches us that wealth is accumulated over time through careful planning and patience. Successful investors and business leaders understand that true financial growth requires endurance. While risky, impulsive decisions may bring temporary gains, they often lead to long-term setbacks. Solomon encourages us to think generationally, to build wealth that not only benefits us, but also supports future generations. Avoiding debt and living within means in modern society. Debt has become a norm, with many people relying on credit to sustain their lifestyle. Yet, Solomon warns about the dangers of excessive borrowing. Proverbs 22 verse 7 states, "The rich rule over the poor, and the borrower is slave to the lender." This verse underscores a reality that debt places individuals in a position of servitude. While some forms of debt, such as strategic business investments, can be beneficial, unnecessary consumer debt can become a trap that hinders financial freedom. The key lesson here is to live within one's means and avoid reckless spending. Instead of accumulating liabilities, Solomon teaches us to prioritize financial stewardship, saving, investing, and spending wisely. The generosity principle. Wealth with purpose, one of the most overlooked yet powerful financial principles Solomon shares, is the importance of generosity. Many assume that hoarding wealth leads to greater security, but Solomon teaches the opposite. Proverbs 11 verse 25 states, "A generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed." This wisdom reveals a profound truth. Giving does not diminish wealth, but rather multiplies it. Generosity creates a cycle of abundance. When we give, whether through charitable acts, supporting our communities, or helping others, it fosters goodwill and often leads to unexpected opportunities. Wealth is not just about personal gain. It is about how we use it to impact the world positively. Final thoughts on Solomon's wealth-building strategies. The financial wisdom of King Solomon is as relevant today as it was thousands of years ago. His teachings provide a roadmap for sustainable wealth, emphasizing diligence, strategic investments, long-term vision, responsible financial management, and generosity. By applying these timeless principles, you can shift from paycheck dependency to financial independence, ensuring that your wealth is not only accumulated, but also preserved and multiplied for generations to come. Are you ready to implement Solomon's wisdom into your financial journey? Start today by making wise, strategic decisions that align with these ancient yet powerful principles. If you found value in these timeless financial lessons from King Solomon, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and comment below on which principle resonated with you the most. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more wisdom-packed content. Let's build a future of financial success together.